making multiplication easier. Consider the following example. Find value of minus 25 into 37 into 4. Solution: minus 25 into 37 into 4 is equal to minus 925 into 4 is equal to minus 3700. Or we can do it this way. Minus 25 into 37 into 4 is equal to minus 25 into 4 into 37 is equal to minus 25 into 4 into 37 is equal to minus 100 into 37, which makes it minus 3700. We get minus 3700, which is the easier way. Obviously, the second way is easier because multiplication of minus 25 and 4 gives 100, which is easier to multiply with 37. Let us solve more examples. Example: find the products of the following. Minus 18 into minus 10 into 9. Minus 20 into minus 2 into minus 5 into 7. Minus 1 into minus 5 into minus 4 into minus 6. Solution: by solving we get 1620 minus 1400 and 120. Example: in a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Gurpreet attempts all questions but only 9 of her answers are correct. What is her total score? One of her friends gets only 5 answers correct. What will be her score? Solution: marks given for 1 correct answer is equal to 4. So marks given for 9 correct answers would be 4 into 9, which is 36. Marks given for 1 incorrect answer is equal to minus 2. So marks given for 6 is equal to 15 minus 9 incorrect answers is equal to minus 2. Into 6 is equal to minus 12. Therefore, Gurpreet's total score is equal to 36 plus minus 12 is equal to 24. Marks given for 1 correct answer is equal to 4. So marks given for 5 correct answers is equal to 4 into 5, which is 20. Marks given for 1 incorrect answer is equal to minus 2. So marks given for 10 is equal to 15 minus 5. Incorrect answers is equal to minus 2 into 10 is equal to minus 20. Therefore, her friend's total score is equal to 20 plus minus 20 is equal to 0.